Throttle up! Fellowship Ride 2025 is firing up the engines. Men, women, boys, and girls, join the pack on Saturday, August 16, 2025 for a high-octane day of fellowship, Khrome, and community. If you're north of Dallas, let's rally at Black Gold Harley-Davidson by 8 a.m. At 9 a.m., we twist the throttle and roll out toward our second meetup stop in Hutchins, Texas. If you're south of Dallas, join us at 10:30 a.m. at the QT gas station off I-45. We'll connect there before the final stretch. Then it's full gear ahead to Sam's Restaurant in Fairfield, Texas, where we'll trade stories, share laughs, and feast like road kings and queens. East Texas, Houston, and all other surrounding areas, if you miss us at the meetup spots, join us at Sam's at 12:30 p.m. Whether you ride solo or roll deep with your crew, come cruise with purpose. See you on the open road for the 2025 Fellowship Ride.